Welcome everyone to Motivate Inspire 4. Today, we're discussing the topic of making a plan and taking action. In this video, we'll look at how to set up achievable goals. Make a plan and take action to turn your dreams into reality. 1. Brainstorming ideas. Start by generating ideas for tasks, goals, and plans. If you're feeling stuck, try engaging with like-minded people. Listening to a podcast or reading an inspiring book. 2. Setting deadlines. Once you have your ideas, it's important to set deadlines for yourself so that you stay on track. Having a deadline can help to motivate you and provide clarity on how to move forward. 3. Tracking progress. Throughout the process, it's key to track your progress to ensure that you're making progress in the right direction. Keep track of tasks completed, what has worked and what hasn't, and start to see patterns or areas in which you can improve. 4. Setting priorities. Make sure to prioritize tasks that are most important and make time for them. You will want to focus on the most important tasks first and leave the less important ones for later. 5. Developing a routine. Developing a routine and sticking to it can help to keep you organized and focused. Having a daily routine helps to make sure that you don't get off track and can promote a more healthy lifestyle. 6. Being flexible. It's important to stay flexible and adapt when necessary, as life is constantly changing. Don't be afraid to switch up your plan if needed or to make changes as you work towards your goal. 7. Making time for self-care. Make time for self-care. Breaks and rest so that you can stay energized and motivated when tackling tasks. Allowing yourself to rest and take time for yourself will help you to have the energy, focus and drive to stay on track and make progress. 8. Building in rewards. Building in rewards for completing tasks can help to maintain focus and drive. Celebrating successes, both big and small, can help to keep you motivated and inspired as you work towards your goal. 9. Taking action. Once you have your plan in place, it's time to take action by putting the plan into practice. Taking action is the key step in turning your goal into a reality. 10. Learning from mistakes. Lastly, it's important to learn from your mistakes and take note of what worked and what didn't. Every mistake provides an opportunity for learning and growth. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this helpful. Have a great day.